Traders, so today we are going to be talking about how you can trade with the 20 EMA. I'm going to be using 1 hour, but there's so many people who use this strategy in 5 minutes, who use this strategy in I can show you one person who used this strategy and it works very well in 5 minutes, but for us we are going to use a higher time frame. So we are going to use this indicator. And we are going to go to 5 minutes. I've enabled the 20 EMA. So if you don't have these indicators, this indicator, I got this indicator from someone's Discord. His name is Pips to Profit or something like that. You can find him on YouTube. Find his link to his Discord, and then go to the categories of indicators, and then you will put that indicator as your favorite in trading view, and then you'll be able to have access to that indicator. So that's the only thing I did, and I got this indicator. It works perfect and I like it, and I'm going to show you how you can use it to scalp, and how you can use this for long-term trades. So let's start with 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, what we want is a break of structure when we are breaking the 20 EMA, a retest of the 20 EMA, and then we buy. Or we break structure when we are breaking the 20 EMA, so that we will be on the safer side. So let's see here. Here we have a break where we broke even this structure and we broke this. So we are breaking this structure. There is a break of structure. We get inside the 20 EMA. I want us to retest the 20 EMA, which we do here. So how do you enter? There is something that I want us to check, and I want you to check. I use it in higher time frame, but you can also use it in lower time frame. You see, at this point we have a bullish candle, we have a bearish candle, we have a bullish candle, we have a bullish candle. In SNR, these are called the open close SNR. Me, what I want, I don't know if I've drawn it well. Sorry if my voice changed. It's because I'm having cold. Higher. So what I want is the market to break this SNR. You see this open close. And where do we draw this? Line? So we draw it at the close of the candle. So where did this candle close? It closed here. So this is the close. So if this market breaks this close, I want a retest of this zone, and then that's where I'm taking my trade. So this is an open close. We break, we have a breakdown, we have a retest, and we sell. We had a good one here at the 20 EMA, where we are rejecting the 20 EMA. We have the market confirming to us. We break this SNR, we retest, and then we sell. So that is the only thing that I want for continuation trades. These ones, like I don't rush and take this sell here. I just wait for a break of the 20 EMA. I want it to come retest the 20 EMA, and that is where I'm going to take my sells at. Higher. So that is one. We have a break of the 20 EMA here, but the market does not stay above the 20 EMA. We have the market playing around, and I'm not in for those games. We break again below the 20 EMA. You see here, you have broken below the 20 EMA, right? What does the market do? We break below the 20 EMA. I want a retest of the 20 EMA, which we get here. Retest of the 20 EMA, but I don't have an area to work with, so this one was too early. So again, we have a retest of the 20 EMA. Here I have an open close, this one. Can you see it? This one. So put my line there. I want a break and I want a retest. You see this open close candle, we break, we come here to retest it. See, that is where I take my trade for sell. So that is what is happening to the market right now. So this is in 15 minutes. How I've found people use this strategy, and specifically this indicator, they use it mostly during the New York. They want the market to break to the upper side. They want the market to retest the 20 EMA, and they want to buy at that place. So you see, this is during the New York, but you see during the London session, this is what happened. We had the London, we took the London, but this was not during the session. We took the London low, we swept the London low. This is the London low, we swept it, forming a W formation, but that is not important. That is not our strategy. We are looking for a break and a retest at the 20 EMA. You see, at this zone, it's good, but I want it close to the 20 EMA so that it avoids you avoid a lot of guessing. You see this one is good. We have our scenario here. We have a break, a retest, we are retesting, and then at this point, this is where we buy. At the break of this is where we buy. So there is something that I wanted to talk about the pullbacks. I want to talk about, I know this video is going to be long, but it's okay. I want to talk about a good pullback, not a good pullback, for a movement to be considered as a pullback. Let's see, because that is going to help us so much in identifying support and resistance. You see this break, which was the last bullish candle that after this break. In this break, this was the last bullish candle, right? So during the pullback, I want the market to come to this point, to the low of this candle, for me to consider this a good pullback. So when the market comes and breaks this low, then I know that I have gotten a pullback. If the market does not break this candle that caused a high, if the market does not break, I do not consider that as a pullback. Like there's a time I used to, you see this one, this green candle, yeah? This one, these two red candles have not closed below this. So this is not a pullback. So I cannot say this is a low. No, this is not a pullback. You see, at this point, this was a bullish candle, and then we have this bearish candle coming to the low of this candle. Now, this one is a legit pullback. This is also a legit pullback. This is also a legit pullback. But there are pullbacks which are not pullbacks. You cannot consider them as pullbacks because they did not close below. Like you see this candle. Let me show you. You see this candle. You see this red candle, right? So this candle did not break the low of this green candle. So we cannot say this is a pullback. We cannot consider this a pullback. What we can consider a pullback is this one. Because why? Because it closed below this. Not a close, but it went below this the bullish momentum. It came below it. So that is what I want to see. For me to consider something a pullback, I need it to do that. Excuse me. So you see, like this one. Let's see. We just want a retest of the 20 when we are retesting the SNL. We want a break of the 20 EMA, then like a break and retest of the 20 EMA, and when we are retesting an SNL at that point. So that is what we are looking at, and this is short term. This is like 5 minutes. The same applies to, do we continue with 5 more examples on 5 minutes, or we can wrap this up and go to 1 hour? So the same case applies. So we want a break, we want a retest, and when we are retesting this, we want to be retesting an SNL zone. So at this point, this was the last high that we formed. We broke above the 20 EMA. We just want a retest of the 20 EMA when we are retesting a SNL zone, which we have a break, we have a retest of the 20 EMA, and we are retesting a SNL level. That's where we buy. At this point, we are above the 20. You say we are above the 20 EMA. We want to retest the. We are above the 20 EMA. We want to retest the 20 EMA and then to look for a pump. So at this area, I'm only looking at only one EMA. If you are someone who wants your chart to be smart and you don't want a lot of cluster, you just want to stick to one time frame. I just want to stick to one time frame and one EMA, and that's it. So the 20 EMA works very well in terms of support and resistance, and keeping your chart smart and not guessing a lot. Something else I wanted to talk about is that I may come out with a lot of things, a lot of strategies, but please pick one. A lot of information, even watch one video and be done. If the concept that you have seen is working for you, you've backtested and it's working for you, don't keep checking for other strategies, because that will keep you more confused. Please, that will keep you more confused. Get one concept that works with you. And I'll keep saying, get one concept that works for you and stick to that. And get a way to make money with that, because the more you watch things, the more you watch so many things, you will cluster your charts. So something else, we have this one, retesting the 20 EMA. I just want a break. This is an SNR level, resistance level. We are retesting that resistance when we are retesting the EMA. That is a good point for me to buy, right? So I do my buy. At this point, we're not retesting the EMA, but you're holding on to that move. So that is, we see this break. You see this break. We break. We just want to come and retest the 20 EMA when we are retesting this. This is our zone. So we just want to come and retest the 20 EMA, not below the 20 EMA, but we want to be above the 20 EMA when we are retesting this zone. But guess what? We broke the 20 EMA. This one became this was our resistance. This now became our This one was our resistance. We broke it. It became support. Now, when we broke it again, it becomes resistance. So we are retesting it from below now, and it has become resistance. So we are selling it because we are also below the 20 EMA. So that is how the 20 EMA can work for you. You can use it on, you can use it by itself. You don't need to complicate things. You can use this alone. With support and resistance, this works perfect. You can also create a channel for the EMA. I'm going to show you how to create that channel, maybe the video after this, and you try it out and see. But the 20 EMA is simple. You don't have to add the 50, you don't have to add the 200. And it works well. It works as a good indication of direction, and you can use it very well in any time frame. You can decide maybe you want to use it in 4 hours, and it works the same. I want a break, and when I'm retesting an SNR, I want to be below. But what do you see? We broke the SNR. So we have this one. We break now again. We break here above, and I want us, when we are retesting this SNR, we are above. We break. Good. We come to retest the 20 EMA. We break this SNR, and that's it. We have to break the 20 EMA, retest the 20 EMA when you are retesting a zone, and then you take your trade there. So that is it. Practice on it and let me know how it goes.